Hi, my name is Dr. Jim. So, have you ever woken up with a sore or stiff neck and you can't turn? If that's the case, you're going to want to stick around. I'm going to talk about that today. Alright, so the reason why you get that muscle spasm, the pain upon waking up, is because of involuntary muscle contraction in your neck region. So that causes, when that happens, it doesn't allow you to, bend forward, bend back, or turn left or right as much. And some of the causes of that is most likely due to poor sleep position, whether it's you're sleeping on your stomach or you're sleeping awkwardly. The other reason is due to your poor pillow support. So if it's too high or if it's too low, that's going to cause your muscle to strain either way. And then the third thing is due to injury. All right, so some of the injuries that I'm talking about are neck sprain and strain. So that can occur from motor vehicle accidents or in work-related injuries, or just from prolonged use of your cell phone, tablet, electrical devices, you name it. If you're looking down all day, that's going to cause some strain in your neck. And the other thing is through poor posture, right? So if you have poor posture throughout the day, that can lead to a loss of curve, meaning that you start having that hunchback. And that's going to lead to a lot of muscle fatigue, a lot of strain as well. And then there's also herniated discs. There's also disc degeneration, and those are can be a result of many different things, such as car accidents again. Lifting weights, if you're lifting a lot of weights on your around your neck, or if you're doing a lot of motion where it's causing you to jam your joints, jam your discs together on the neck, all of those are going to contribute to neck injuries. So what can you do? I'm going to show you 3 exercises you can do at home that's going to help relieve the pain instantly. So the first exercise I'm going to show you is kind of a range of motion exercise here. So let's say, for example, my right side of my neck is the one that's hurting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to either use my thumb, finger, or whatever you feel is going to put enough pressure onto that pain point. Okay, so let's say right here is where it's hurting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put pressure on it, and I'm going to go lean my head away from the pain and into it. Okay, so I'm going to put pressure, enough pressure where you're feeling soreness, the achiness. Okay, so I'm going to put pressure into it and then lean away, and then come on back and lean away, come on back. So each time you come back, you want to increase the range of motion. So this one you want to hold, if you hold the trigger point, you hold the pain point, you want to hold that maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and you can release. So this is something that's going to help increase the range of motion of your neck going from side to side. All right, so this next exercise is going to help improve the range of motion going extension and forward flexion. Okay, so what you want to do is you're going to use your fingers, right? You're going to pinch the base of your skull. So I'll show you right here, base of your skull like this. You're going to pinch it right there on top, and you're looking straight ahead. And once you have it pinched, what you're going to do is you're going to flex your head forward, and you feel that stretch all along the neck right there. And then you're going to come on back, and then you're just going to go a little bit lower, flex again. And then you're going to work like this from top all the way down to the bottom of your neck, and then work your way back up. So this one you want to do up and down 3 times, and this will really help improve the flexion extension of your neck. So this third exercise is going to be a resistance exercise. So what you're going to do is you're going to trick your brain into relaxing the muscle. So what I'm going to do, let's say this is the side that's the painful side, all right? So I'm going to lean away from it. So I'm going to lean towards my left here. So I'm going to lean away to where I feel comfortable, right? So once I get it there, I'm going to put pressure on my head and hold that for 5 seconds, and relax, and then keep going. Hold it for 5 seconds, relax, and then you're going to do that until you feel like your range of motion increases. So thank you for watching. If you like the content and if you enjoyed the information that I've given you here, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. I appreciate it. And until I see you guys again, take care.